Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's jollof rice, I'll be using this dry paprika. This is what it looks like. But first of all, I'll be soaking it overnight. So this is the night before making the jollof rice. I'll be soaking it with water. Then the following day, I'll start marinating the chicken. The first thing I'll be adding into the chicken is nutmeg. So I'll be grating in some nutmeg. You can use beef, you can use fish to make your jollof rice. It's not a must you use chicken. So I'll be slicing in some onions into the chicken. I'll be adding enough onions because I want this to be flavorful. So I'll be adding some garlic as well, just like so. I will add some chicken seasoning. Then I will add some salt. Then I follow it up with some curry powder. I will add some thyme, but you can use your favorite seasoning to season this. Then I will be adding some peppercorn as well. Then I'll give this a stir because I want to steam it without adding any water. I will mix it very well to make sure that it is well coated with all the spices that I added. You can leave this to marinate for about 10 to 30 minutes before cooking, but yeah, I've started steaming it already. So I will prepare the paprika just like so, removing the seeds inside the paprika. I will not be using all the paprika, but yeah, I'll just take the ones that I need. Then I will leave the other ones to use it and prepare another dish later. But you don't need to use dry paprika. You can use fresh paprika. But right now I have only dry paprika at home. I'll be adding some fresh tomatoes. I will add more onions to this. I want to make the pepper sauce and tomato sauce. A lot of onions. Then I will add some ginger and some garlic. I love garlic in my jollof rice, ginger and garlic. So I'll be adding enough garlic and ginger. Then I will cover and blend this till it's smooth. I almost forgot to add habanero pepper. So I'll be adding spicy pepper, habanero pepper, blend it, then add it into a pot and start cooking it till the water has dried up. After 5 minutes, I stir my chicken so that it doesn't burn. I want this to release its own juice. So after about 10-15 minutes, the juice is out. So I'll be taking it out to put in the oven to grill it. Meanwhile, you can fry it with oil, but I'll be grilling mine. Then I will be sieving out the juice or the chicken stock. Then the tomato has dried up. I will start cooking. Inside the pot, I added vegetable oil. Then I will add the dry pepper and tomato mix. I will start frying this. Then I will add again dry tomato paste, just like so, because the dry tomato paste will also give it that popping red color. Then I will keep stirring because if you leave it unattended, it will burn. So stir sparingly. For that dark color or for that jollof color to pop out very well, I'll be adding also dry paprika or powdered paprika. Then I will give it a stir. I will cover it and allow it to cook for a while. Then I will stir it again. I will be stirring it sparingly for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then I will open and stir, open and stir. And also the pot I'm using is non-stick, so I will make sure I stir it. But meanwhile, I forgot it after 10 minutes and it started burning. So I stirred it now and started seasoning it with my favorite spices, chicken seasoning, curry powder, thyme, and I will give it a stir. And I add some salt again. I will keep stirring it now because as you can see it's burning, so I don't need to leave it unattended. I will add more peppercorn. You don't need to add peppercorn. You can use chili pepper if that's what you prefer. I'll be adding some basil leaves, dry basil leaves. This is also optional. Now I'll be adding the chicken stock. You can see I did not add too much oil while frying the tomato because we try to eat small oil in this house. We eat oil adequately here. and there is also oil in the chicken stock, so that's why I added a little bit of oil. But you can use a lot of oil to fry yours. It will also make it not to burn easily. Then I'll be adding the rice now. This rice, I just washed it. I did not parboil it first. I just washed it, then I added it. Add water to loosen it up and to also cook it till it is soft. Then I'll be adding more water because I'm using rice that I've not parboiled, so you need more water. So I'll be adding some salt, but if you need quantity of water to rice, 1 cup of rice cooks very well with 2 cups of water. So in 1 cup of rice, you use 2 cups of water to cook it if you need the water quantity. But me, I use my eyes to gauge it. So after 10 minutes covering it, I will stir it to make sure it's not burning. And I will also leave it to continue cooking after stirring it. So meanwhile, it's coming together. You can test for salt again and adjust salt. Then I cover it. After 5 minutes, I introduce some onions. You can add tomato as well by this stage. You can also add butter or margarine at this stage, but I just wanted to add only onions. Then I give it a stir, just like so. This is patty jollof rice. The patty jollof rice is pattying. So we cover it again to allow the water to dry up. After 5 minutes again, the water has dried up. Everywhere is smelling smoky jollof rice. So I give it a final stir and it is ready. You can dish it out just like so. Eat with your chicken, any protein of your choice, or salad. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.